Hello everyone, I'm Farial, and today we're diving into a fascinating journey at the intersection of spirituality, religion, and science. How do these dimensions of human experience coexist, complement, and sometimes challenge each other? Let's explore this together. First, let's talk about being religious. Religion, for many, provides a structured path with rituals and teachings passed down through generations. It's about community, a sense of belonging, and often a strict adherence to the doctrines of a faith. Switching gears, being spiritual is often seen as a more individual practice. It's less about external structures and more about personal growth, inner peace, and connection to all that is around us. Spirituality can involve meditation, mindfulness, and a personal quest for understanding. Now, let's blend in science, particularly the intriguing world of quantum physics. Science, at its core, is the pursuit of knowledge through evidence and experimentation. And interestingly, concepts in quantum physics often echo spiritual themes, like interconnectedness and the impact of observation on reality. Combining these, what do we get? A scientifically spiritual approach isn't about choosing science over spirituality or dismissing religion. Instead, it's about using our understanding of the universe to enhance our spiritual journey, respecting religious teachings that align with love, compassion, and unity. Let's pull some threads from the rich tapestries of major religions. From Christianity, we learn the power of forgiveness. Buddhism teaches us about the impermanence of life and the importance of mindfulness. Hinduism offers insights into the self through yoga and meditation, while Islam emphasizes community and charity. In this synthesis, we find a beautiful harmony, a way to live spiritually enriched lives backed by scientific understanding and enriched by religious wisdom. It's not about erasing differences, but about celebrating and understanding them to foster a more compassionate and enlightened society. So, whether you find solace in the verses of the Bible, the chants of the Bhagavad Gita, the silent meditation under a Bodhi tree, or the rigorous proofs of a scientific paper, remember, each path has something valuable to offer. Our task is to listen, learn, and find ways to integrate this wisdom into our own lives. Thank you for joining me on this explorative journey. Remember, the quest for knowledge and understanding is a beautiful, never-ending path. Keep walking with an open heart and an eager mind. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's all about love, compassion, and understanding. Please like, subscribe, and share to spread positivity. Stay inspired and stay connected.